We got 3 minutes.
Woohoo! We got 3 minutes. Woohoo! We're gonna have some fun. Bring that thing in good.
Punch it, digger. Uh-oh. We need to burn it. Burn it.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, shit.
We're stuck.
Whoa, man. I don't think
We're stuck.
Don't drop it. Hey. How much beer did you bring, man?
Oh, shit. I only got one.
I only got one. Oh, man. We're going to be in here for a while.
Alright. Try to see if we can get out of here.
Alright. It's not going, man. Oh, no. It's stalled.
Alright.
Look. There's it. Oh, it's stalled. Oh, man. I hope you got lots of beer. Hey, you're gonna get the camera sprayed when he starts it. Can't do that.
Hi, Dave.
Bye.
Urethra.
You asshole.
Hey, it says 74 inches here.
74 seconds.
It's not zooming in either.
Alright, man.
Alright, let's cook it. Holy shit.